Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video, we look at a very, very commonly used scenario that we face while importing CSV file into an R console, and let's talk through it using an example. So I have a CSV file named sample, and it is present in my working directory. So documents is my working directory, and in the first column it has product, and the rest of the columns are the spread across different years, and this is let's assume that these are the total sales value for product A, B and C across these different years. Now, one of the issue that you might face is, while importing, the format is a little different and it will not be recognized as a numeric value. Instead, it will be recognized as a character or categorical value. So, what exact treatment does it require once it is imported? And if you want to do certain analysis, it has to be converted into a numeric format. So let's see how that can be done. Let's go to our console. Okay. So let me read that read.csv, and it is a sample.csv file. Okay. If I now look at the top records, okay, see, now the thing is, as I mentioned, these commas are still retained while importing it into our console, and let's quickly look at the structure of the data frame. You see, all the numeric columns are currently recognized as character. Now, just by looking at these numbers or these values, I can quickly identify two things. There is a leading and a trailing space for each value, and then there is a comma. So we basically need to remove them before converting them into a numeric format. So for that, let's create a function. So I will create num fun, and okay, so first I will create y1, and first I will like to basically trim space from x. Once that is trim, I would like to remove comma and replace it with a blank without a space actually, which will be y1, and I am assigning it to y2. Once space and commas have been removed, I will then convert the remaining value to numeric of y2, and I will assign it to z, and in the end I will return z. Okay, now let's see how I can use this function using the apply family of functions to basically convert the categorical into numeric. So I will first remove the product, and then I will use apply. Okay, array I already have since I'm using the pipe operation. I want to apply it to all the columns. And what is the function that I want to use? Numfunc. Okay, so see, let me now assign it to df2, and if I want to look at structure of df2, now it will be recognized as, okay, just a second, I think I have to first convert it into a data frame. Okay, now you see all these are numbers, and we just need to append the product information, and this then it will be good to go. So in this video we looked at a very simple example and a very typical example of cases which we face while importing Excel or CSV data into our console. I hope this video was useful. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel.